Hi everyone, it's Roxy and I've been loving baking, trying new recipes and just being in the kitchen recently. I've been really inspired to be more mindful and aware about what I'm putting into my body. I know that snacking can get quite out of hand sometimes, been there, done that, but I've been loving these 3 easy healthy snack ideas. Vegan ice cream with only 2 ingredients, chocolate chip cookies with a vegetable in it, and some yummy rice cake ideas. First up is this delicious vegan ice cream, and all you need are bananas and nut butter. I'll be adding vegan chocolate chips as well because it definitely satisfies those cravings. So you're going to add 2 frozen chopped bananas and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or any nut butter of your choice. Just pulse until creamy in a food processor and then fold in those yummy chocolate chips. These are from a brand called Enjoy Life, and I just love that they have this vegan option for chocolate chips. Once everything is folded in, freeze for about 1 to 2 hours and then serve. It's absolutely so rich and creamy, and I'm hands down an ice cream kind of girl, so this is my go-to dessert when I'm craving something sweet. For the zucchini chocolate chip cookies, you'll need 1 cup of whole wheat or coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 grated zucchini, and a dash of vanilla essence, and of course 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix everything together until it looks something like this. Spoon out your batter and bake for 10 minutes. So I love using these silicone mats because they make baking so easy and the cookies come right off without sticking or falling apart. These zucchini chocolate chip drop cookies are so good, and I always finish them in about 2 days. Oh, and if you're wondering about tasting the zucchini, I promise you won't even know it's there. Rice cakes are a favorite snack of mine, and I love adding so many different toppings to make it more nutritious and filling. For the first one, spread cream cheese on top and add some dill, then pieces of salmon. If you like your food spicy, you can sprinkle with some red pepper flakes. For the next one, spread some cream cheese again and top with some chopped tomatoes and onion. So it's basically like a simple tomato salsa that you're going for. Then add some grilled shrimp to the top and garnish with some saive. Okay, so the last rice cake is more like a dessert option. Melt some chocolate chips in the microwave and then spread it across the rice cakes like this. Add some sliced bananas and crushed pistachios. And that's it. It's so good. It's just the perfect, quick and easy snack ideas. Of course, you can go ahead and substitute these with your own topping, whether it's like grilled tofu or like any meat that you would like. Just make it your own. That's the fun part about rice cakes. Let me know which recipe is your favorite or which one you're gonna try. And of course, if you try any, hit me up on my Instagram DMs because I'd love to know what you think. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe because it really supports my channel and it lets me know that you are enjoying the content I'm creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.